back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to do this type of effect on any type of object like a fruit or vegetable, etc. So let's dive into it. So first of all, you're gonna take this size over here. You're going to go in the elements panel and search for watermelon. Go in the photos, take this one right here, remove its background, and it's also not necessary. And just check if there's no unnecessary space taken like this. Alright. Now I'm gonna resize it a little bit and I'm gonna set it to the center of my page. And then what you're gonna do is again go in the apps of Canva. I'm gonna search for TypeCraft like this. And I'm gonna click on this one. I'm gonna get all caps on. And I'm gonna write over here watermelon. After typing watermelon, I'm gonna just change my font to somewhat like Enten. Alright. Enten regular. And I'm gonna change my color to white. You're gonna add the element to design. And I'm just gonna set it. Alright, I'm gonna update my element. Okay, now it's done. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna just copy this font over here. You're gonna add a page. You're gonna paste the same font like this. And I'm just gonna go back to my elements. I'm gonna take this rectangle over here. And I'm gonna make it a little bigger. I'm gonna change its color to black. I'm gonna move it to the back like this. And I'm just gonna download my page number 2. And like this, it's gonna be downloaded. After it downloads, go over here in the uploads and just drag your bang image and upload it over here. Click like this. And I'm gonna delete this one right here, drag it over here. Remove the background. And I'm just gonna remove this font. And then click on edit. Go over here on Duo Tone. Click on the cherry one. Do it all white. Like this. Alright. Alright, it's all done. Now I'm just gonna fit it to my watermelon. Alright, isn't it looking perfect? Just let's do a one finishing touch. Let's add a shadow. Go in the graphics. I'm going to take this one right here. Perfect. So, hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.